Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can get back old version of CapCut PC. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is right click on your CapCut app. Here you can see CapCut is on my desktop right now, and all I have to do is right click on my mouse like this. And then here you can see this will pop up, and here you have to now click on the option Open File Location. After doing so, this will open the file location of your CapCut, and in here you can see these are all the files of the CapCut versions. So here you can see the oldest version is 5.8. So I'm simply just going to open this folder. And now in here you have to search for CapCut. Scroll all the way down, and in here you should be able to see the option of CapCut just like this. Simply just double click on this like this, and now the older version of CapCut will open. Here you can see this is the older version. You can click on the settings option right here and check. Here you can see this is the version 5.8.0. And just like this, you can get your old version of CapCut PC. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.